Alright guys, how's it going? We got the Shieldon. This one's called a Hierophant. The Hierophant. Anyway, all of these Shieldons here, they all come in these nice little pouches. You can mount them on your belt, onto your kit bag or whatever. Or just use them just for knife storage. Very handy for that, for the knife collector. Anyway, let's take a look at the knives. Oh, this one actually, the Hierophant. This one's designed by Matthew Samaski. I'll probably butcher his name there, but he's in the US, so we got an American design here, USA design. Nice flat screws here holding on the clip there. I've tried the clip, it works pretty nicely. It's deep pocket carry, but not major deep. That little sliver there will be poking out your top of your pants. Look at that blade centering, awesome. Fantastic blade centering on this thumb stud and flipper tab operated pocket knife. Thumb studs work fantastic. We've got this pretty heavy jimping here, which feels good. It's not that sharp type of jimping. And jimping carries on here on the G10, on the Honeydew. It's a Honeydew pattern G10, which is really nicely shaped. All round nice shape. It gives this divot here where you can plant your thumb. It feels super comfortable, and a trigger finger, if you like, just wraps around right here onto the contour here of the Honeydew G10. Really comfortable knife, and we've got a backspacer there. Yeah, different coloured G10 there. I love the Shieldon badge here, because the badge is also the captive side of the pivot screw. So we only have one pivot screw here. That's really neat. And also it stops that from spinning too, so it is captive. Really nice. One of the better setups here on the pivot screw in this sort of price range. There's the maker's mark here. He's got his dagger mark, if you can see it there. Try and capture it, and the name of the knife here. And this blade, beautiful flat grind, it's razor sharp. Now these Shieldons are one of the sharpest knives straight out the box. I mean, they're crazy sharp. Shaving, no problem whatsoever. I mean, look at that. These things are razor blades. Clean that nasty mess off. They really do know how to sharpen a blade, and look at that, I've got a big bald patch here now. Anyway, let's look at the blade length. And it's about 3.38 of an inch. And the blade is in 154 cm. And it's marked here, 154 cm. We can chalk up on this blade too. This cut out choil area there, if you like. I've got extra large hands. I can get my finger right in here, which allows my thumb up on here. Awesome for those pull cuts. We've got a nice bit of swedge in here. I love the 154 cm. It's a really good steel. Really good steel. And here we got the liner lock. And that's easy to access, which is nice. It's a droppy shut. Yeah, droppy shut out the box. Flipper works awesome. Thumb studs. It's just a really nice knife, this one. And we've got a diagram here. I'll put the diagram up. Shows where the captive lock bar is, and it's running on ceramic. The good caged, I think they're brass or bronze caged ceramic bearings. So it is, you know, super smooth. It's like butter. And this is really comfortable. Left hand, right hand, whatever your preference. You know, it's really friendly for that. But the clip is right hand only. But the knife itself is super comfortable, left or right hand. The overall length is about just under 8 inches. Let's see what it weighs in at. Alright, it's weighing in at 4.1 ounces. Let's weigh that again. Yeah, 4.1 is what I'm getting. So there you go, guys. We've got an awesome EDC knife here. And it really is so smoking sharp. Isn't it amazing? I don't know how some other knife companies seem to struggle putting an edge on their knives. Not these guys. Not Shieldon, they know exactly what they're doing. Alright. Right, what else can I say about this? Check out the links below. I've got links to the website. These are for sale on Amazon also. But check out their website, because I got a discount code down there and you might save yourself a few bucks. Because Shieldon, they're not like a lot of other knife companies that are just huge and the big corporate. Shieldon's not like that. They're knife guys, just like you and me, and they help support my channel. I don't do many knives that I get for free. I find it a hassle, to be honest, but I do it for Shieldon and Kubi and one or two others. I only do it for knife manufacturers that I actually use and trust their knives. Okay, alright, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you later.